Assalamualaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. This is weekly video. I have covered gold, silver and crude oil in this video. I have given forecast with upcoming event in this video. So don't forget to press the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please watch full video to get the all support and resistance for next week. Let's get started. This is gold daily chart. Gold finally closed above 1800 after almost a few days. Yesterday we had non-farm payroll numbers, unemployment rate numbers. Unfortunately, I could not stream yesterday due to some problem. But let's rewind what numbers came. First, average hourly earning monthly came 0.7% versus 0.5% which came previous month. Non-farm payroll number came 467,100,000 versus 510,100,000 previous month. Unemployment rate came 4% versus 3.9% previous month. More or less, data was positive for gold prices. Why it was positive for gold prices? Because last month non-farm payroll numbers was 510,100,000. This month 467,100,000. So less jobs of numbers created versus last month. Unemployment also rose from 3.9% to 4.0%. Many of you might argue in comment section that expectations was this, expectations was that. You might argue that expectations for non-farm payrolls was around 100,000 or 200,000, but it came more than 400,000. So I have already cleared many times that I do not take any kind of forecast in consideration while analyzing the data, because your expectations could be different, my expectations could be different, one broker, one portal's expectations could be different, other analyst, other platform expectations could be different. So I always analyze data with previous month data or previous data which came. So expectations was of course minimal because of advanced non-farm payroll numbers which came in minus Wednesday, but I was little skeptical about minus because US economy have not given non-farm payroll numbers in minus since so many months, and we have already seen how credible advanced non-farm payroll numbers are. It's been so long that they have lost their credibility, and more or less now we know that that is just a formal numbers, and now they don't have real connection with real numbers which usually comes at Friday. Now, despite closing above 1800, gold will still remain in weak zone. It haven't entered in positive zone yet. Before moving with resistance and support, let's quickly rewind what happened in gold last week. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. Monday it opened around 1791. Friday it tested 1815 and finally gave a close around 1807. So from Monday to Friday it gained around $17 to $18. A significant, I won't say it is a significant gains, it is a respectable gains considering the monthly and weekly movement in gold prices as of now. But next week we have inflation numbers as well, which would determine the path of Federal Reserve rate hikes which are due in March. So let's have a look at resistance and support first, then we will go for major event which are due next week. 1860, that will act as resistance now. There, if gold break and close above this resistance, then expect gold to test around $1,900 and 1950. Support and a very strong support at 1760 here. If gold break and close below this support, then expect gold prices to test around 1720 and 1670. Currently gold trend is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. I also update Monday to Friday videos on this channel, so if you want to watch Monday to Friday video as well, consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet, and press bell icon while subscribing. Now let's move on to major event which are due next week. I will highlight only major data, and the all timings are Indian Standard Timing. Monday we have industrial production from Germany, ECB president speech. Tuesday, Wednesday we have crude oil inventory and Federal Reserve members Bauman speech. Then Federal Reserve member Master speech. Thursday we have inflation numbers from US, which will be very crucial. Unemployment claims. Bank of England. Friday we have Bank of England governor speech. Britain's GDP numbers. Britain production and industrial production numbers. US consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. So these are major events which are due next week. Let's move on to silver. This is silver. This is very major support in silver, 2140. So keep an eye on that. Silver also had a bad week. Let's rewind what happened. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday it opened around 2246 and finally closed around 2251. So nothing much happened except it tested around $23 Tuesday. After that, it, as you can see, it didn't even bother to test the high. It underperformed gold. Gold gained around $17 to $18 last week, but silver more or less closed on same level which it opened this Monday. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support in silver. 2410, that will act as resistance in silver now. If silver break and close above this resistance, then expect $25 and $26. A very strong major support at $21.40. That is a very strong support, and that could be the difference between $19 and $25. So keep an eye on this support. It is an extremely important support in silver price. If silver break and close below this support, then expect $20 and even $19 is possible. So keep an eye on that 2140. It is an extremely important support in silver. Let's move on to crude oil, which is a rock star nowadays. As you can see, it is currently in higher upper channel. Nothing is stopping it, nothing is happening to it. It is extremely bullish, and we are on a very positive channel, and still we are in positive zone. If you are asking me when will it come down, my answer will be when it does break the support and close below that support. Before giving you support and resistance, let's have a quick recap what happened in crude oil. This is Friday. It made high around $93. Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday it opened around $87 and finally closed around $82. So $5 gains in 5 trading session. Extremely bullish, and it will remain bullish till market is not breaking the support. So let's cut the suspense and give you the resistance and support for this week in crude oil. 82.90, that is the support in crude oil price today, this week. If crude oil break and close below this support, yes, the closing is extremely important. Crude oil need to close below this support in order to return to negative. Below this support, expect $80 and $78. And for my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is on your screen right now. You can send me a message on WhatsApp for my paid signal package informations. Now resistance at $95.40. Yes, absolutely. If crude oil break and close above this resistance, then expect 98 and triple digit in crude oil as well. Currently crude oil is in extremely positive zone, but a good correction will not be ruled out once it break and close below support. You can also follow me on Twitter and Telegram. I usually give live updates and data updates on my Telegram and on my Twitter. All links are in description. I usually live stream from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. on my streaming channel as well. And Hindi version of this video can also be found on my streaming channel. Streaming channel link is in description. You can check that. And if you have enjoyed this video or if you find this video useful, please don't hesitate to click the like button. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. If you want regular video, please make sure you subscribe the channel and click bell icon. Leave your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. Now I will see you on Monday in my Monday's video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy weekend.